welcome back to my channel. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far or followed me on TikTok. I love you all. So you may have just watched the Shein haul, and if you have, then you'll notice I'm wearing one of the tops from it. One of my favourite things that I bought, the red top, and I love it. It's so cute. But today I am going to be doing a Debenhams haul. Now my Debenhams sadly closed down last week as I'm filming this, and everything was so cheap, so I did go backwards and forwards to Debenhams a good few times to get some bits, but I ended up with hardly anything that fit or that I liked because it was just chaos basically. So I'm going to show you the things I got. It's not going to be a very long video because I haven't got a lot, but you guys said you wanted to see it, so here we go. I'm going to try and remember some of the prices, but they're not on the items because they just like basically put a sign up, or even when you got to the till they just drop the item down. So I'm going to try and remember, but here we go. This is the first thing I got. These are some silver high heels. They're actually really padded and they are faith, and they have £29 on the bottom of them. They do feel very comfy. I haven't tried them on because you weren't allowed to in the shop, and I haven't really had a chance since. However, these were down to £5. All the shoes were down to £5 in the last couple of days, so I have some new silver shoes in case I need any high heels for anything, even though I don't really wear them anymore. And then we have this skirt, which is kind of like a burnt orangey red colour. It looks totally different in the camera to what I can see in real life, with gold buttons down the middle and a little tie. And this was £4 and buy one get one free. And the material is so soft. It actually was Oasis. And I've taken the tag off, but I'm sure it was about a £38 skirt, which I got for £2 essentially when you get the buy one get one free. So I'm very excited to wear this in summer with some cute tops. Now this one is rather a funny story. So I got this black polo neck, which I always love a polo neck in winter. They go great under a pinafore, and this was like really thick, good quality. I know you can't see it, I don't know why I'm showing you, but it was principled actually, and it was really good quality, and it was down to £2 buy one get one free. So I was like, oh yeah, I'll get that, because it's got makeup all over it, and I'll explain why in a second. So basically I got home and I tried the stuff on when I got home, because obviously the changing rooms are all closed, and I couldn't get my head through the hole. And Mum was laughing at me, and then she tried and she couldn't get her head through the hole, so where I've been stuck there is makeup on it. But basically, hopefully that'll come off. Basically none of us could get our head through the hole, and me and Mum both have very small heads, but it's like there's no stretch in it at all. There's no elastic in the top, which is really weird, and there's no elastic here at this part either, so I ended up cutting it. So at the back now we have a little slit so I can actually get my head in. So hopefully I'll be able to wear that, and hopefully no one will see it. Or what I might do is I might put some elastic on the button, because I do have tops like that in the wardrobe, so that's what I'm going to do with that, I think. And then I also have this black top, which is literally like that one, with little lines down it, but it's off the shoulder cropped t-shirt. These always just come in, I always think. This was £1.60 buy one get one free, and if they'd have had it in white still, because there was one in white that I wanted, I would have got it in white too, but they were all sold out, so I ended up with the black one. Now we have my jumpsuit, which I didn't see until the last day, and I've been in there every day last week, and I saw it on the last day on a stand on its own, and I had no idea how much it was, and I think she charged me £3 for it, buy one get one free. But the tag's still on it. It was £42. So this is a jumpsuit with long, not too wide legs, and I've tried it on and it is super cute and super comfy, so I am definitely looking forward to having an occasion to wear this. It looks like it's just polka dot, but it actually has gold, there you go, gold and white spots on it, and it's really nice on, it really is. Mum also bought some things with me. She bought some tops and things, but altogether everything we bought came to £16. I think it was £16 something, and we added it up looking at all the tags, and it should have been £260, so we saved a lot of money. Two things left. Okay, so this is a blue and white stripy dress. It's a little bit see-through, so I'm going to have to wear something underneath it. But this again I found on the last day, and she charged me £3 buy one get one free for it. It's got little bell sleeves and it's just an off the shoulder dress, and I thought it was really cute. I don't know if you can see the stripes. But yeah, for £3, well £1.50, couldn't leave it. And then lastly we have this wraparound dress, which is really hard to show you because I need to tie it. But basically it goes like that, and you tie it at the side and it wraps around. I do have another dress just like this, a wraparound dress. This is pink, lilac and yellow and green. The pattern was really cute. Again, it's got the cute little bell sleeves and frills at the bottom, so this was really, really cute. And it's funny because I went to Debenhams multiple times and my mum pointed this out first, then my nan, and then Pete pointed it out and was like, this is very you. I'm like, everyone is saying this is very me, I feel like I should buy it. And when I asked the week before, they put it down from 28 to 15 to 11.20, and I was like, 11.20, do I want it for 11.20? I don't know. Then on the last day it was still there in my size and I thought I'm gonna have to get it. So I asked and she charged me £3 buy one get one free, so it ended up being free with something else anyway, so I really like it. So I did get some other bits, but they are mostly presents for people, so I'm not going to show those on camera. However, that is everything I got clothing and shoes wise from Debenhams. Comment below what your favourite item is that I've just shown, and let me know what other kind of videos you'd like to see, maybe a Q&A, or I don't know, what would you like to see? Me eating certain foods for a whole day, or just more vlogs? Do you enjoy the vlogs? Let me know what you enjoyed the most. So today's shout out goes to this person, so go and follow them and show them lots of kindness and support like I know you will. So thank you so much for subscribing to me, thank you for following me on TikTok, thank you for liking, commenting and just showing me any kind of support and love that you do. I love you all.